Here's how to fix Valorant crashing on PC quickly. Step 1. Close Valorant and Riot client completely. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Under Processes, locate Valorant, Riot Client, and Riot Client Services. Select each one and click End Task. This ensures no background processes are interfering with the game. Step 2. Restart Valorant Vanguard service. Press Windows+R, type services.msc, and press Enter. Scroll down and locate VGC. Right-click it and select Restart. If it's not running, click Start. Vanguard must be active for Valorant to run properly. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Press Windows+S, type Disk Cleanup, and open the app. Select your C drive, check Temporary Files, and click OK, then Delete Files. Removing temporary files can resolve crashes caused by corrupted cache or temporary data. Step 4. Run Riot Client as administrator. Right-click Riot Client and select Run as Administrator. Sign in if required, then launch Valorant. Running as administrator ensures the client has the permissions needed to run without crashing. Step 5. Restart your PC. After completing the steps above, restart your computer. This final step clears temporary glitches and applies all changes. Following these steps should stop Valorant from crashing and allow it to run smoothly on your PC. Subscribe for more professional Valorant fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.